The purpose of today's summit is to explore the how we can convert these challenges into opportunities and foster innovation and culture of trust. And so I'll just in this session I'll just touch on some of the challenges that we face and modern enterprises face, why it is so difficult to achieve trusted data. So this slide shows a few of the aspects or challenges.
When we talk about effective leadership in data-driven environments, what we want to look for in today's environment, leaders have to harness data effectively. We have to be able to take that data and transform it into information. Any misinterpretation that we have, some of it can be contributed to cognitive biases. How we think about the decisions that we need to make, how we think about framing a problem, how we think about anchoring to a piece of information, how we might oversimplify something. Effective leadership requires us to take in that data and to think about how we make decisions. Our critical thinking needs to come up. Our data literacy needs to come up.
I'm really glad that Data Gaps has organized a summit like this and is trying to emphasize on the importance of why data really matters and why data quality really matters. Any GTM meeting, Q4 preparing for the next year starts with AI, but unfortunately it ends with data because your AI initiatives, your business intelligence, your insights, today generative AI has just rapidly taken over the technology world. But
so Room to Life, I think this is the one that I talked to in terms of the user journeys and basically the DORA metrics and all of the bits.
I'd like to introduce Quantum Street AI first. So Quantum Street AI, we are a leading Silicon Valley fintech company, and we started with 2017 launching the world's first AI powered ETF in New York Stock Exchange.
My name is Manish Bhatia, and we'll be talking about data and visualization testing, automation basically. What we have seen is while people talk about the data platforms, growing volume, variety, velocity of the data, and the data quality becomes very important. What we have not seen is that why data quality deteriorates over a period of time. Because the data keeps coming in, and while you are monitoring the data there, it becomes very challenging to ensure that the quality is intact. So what is important is that any data which is coming in new to your data platforms, be it data warehouses, your cloud systems and all, we do a thorough data testing.
Thank you for joining today's session on understanding the future of data testing with Agentic AI. In today's data-driven world, organizations are increasingly dependent on high-quality data to drive decision-making, innovation, and gaining competitive advantage. However, ensuring data quality is often a resource-intensive and challenging task for all the businesses today.
We also trying to introduce manual and automated testing. So we have dedicated QA, which is taking on responsibilities of the most important development and doing tests between integration, production, and source integration. We also try to do automation. It's kind of like semi-automation at this point, and we are going for performance testing.
And thank you, everyone, for attending. It's been a great session. A lot of good speakers and a lot of good insights. So very much appreciated for the Data Gaps marketing team. We had a number of really good speakers, and I'd like to just go through and highlight a couple of things. Noreen kicked the thing off with really talking about companies moving from that data-driven type of company to an AI-driven organization. And the sessions are over. Appreciate it. You have a good rest of your day.